हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर और मेरी मेल आईडी दी गई है। आपको किसी भी प्रकार की कोई भी क्वेरीज होने पर आप इस पर संपर्क कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टूडेंट, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। क्राइटेरिया ऑफ अ सिमिलरिटी ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल। हियर इज अ टू ट्रायंगल ABC DEF, that is an triangle ABC and DEF if angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to CA upon FD, then the two triangles are similar. It must be noted that as done in the case of congruency of two triangles, the similarity of two triangles should also be expressed symbolically using a correct correspondence of their vertices. For example, for the triangles ABC and DEF of figure 6.22, we cannot write triangle ABC similar triangle EDF or triangle ABC similar angle FED. However, we can write triangle BAC similar triangle EDF. Now students, क्वेश्चन आपके पास लाने से पहले थ्योरम 6.3, if in two triangles corresponding angle are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio are proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. This criterion, the reference to the as the AAA angle criteria of the similarity of the two triangles. This theorem can be proved by taking two triangles ABC and DEF such that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Cut DP is equal to AB, DQ is equal to AC, and so on PQ. So, triangle ABC is congruent triangle DPQY. Angle B is equal to angle P, angle E is and PQ is parallel to EF. How? Therefore, dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QFY, that is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DFY. Similarly, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF, and so AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. If two triangles of one triangle are respectively equal to the angle of the another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This may be referred to as the AA similarity criterion for two triangles. Theorem 6.4, if in two triangles side of the one triangle are proportional, that is in the same ratio of the side of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. This criterion is referred to as the SSS, yani side similarity criterion for the two triangles. Theorem 6.5, if one angle of the triangle is equal to the one angle of the other triangle and the side including these angle are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This criterion referred to as the SAS similarity criterion for two triangles. Now students, let's start अपनी exercise 6.3. First, state which pair of the triangles in figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pair of the similar triangle in the symbolic form. Here is A, angle P is equal to 60, angle B, angle Q is equal to 80, angle C, angle R equal to 40. So triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR by AAA similarity criterion. AB upon QR is equal to BC upon RP is equal to CA upon PQ. In second, triangle ABC is similar triangle जो है QPR by SSS similarity because AB upon QR, BC upon PR, AC upon PQ. By the side similarity, these two triangles are similar. Third, in the given triangle are not similar as the corresponding side are not proportional. Fourth, yes, thus SAS similarity and triangle MNL is similar triangle QPR. Fifth, this is the not similar because the two arms of our arms are not in ratio where angle A is equal to angle F. Sixth, yes, AA is similarity. Two angles are corresponding equal to another two angle because the sum of the three angle is equal to 180. 70 plus 80 is equal to uh, plus 30 is equal to 180. So unknown angle is 70, unknown angle is 30. These the two triangle are by AA similarity are similar. In figure 36.35, triangle ODC is similar triangle OBA, angle BOC is equal to 125, angle CDO is equal to 70. Find angle DOC, DCO and OAB. Answer. DOB is a straight line. DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180. DOC is equal to 180 minus 125, that is a 55. In a triangle DCO plus CDO plus DOC is equal to 180. Sum of the measure of the angles of a triangle is 180. DCO plus 70 plus 55 is equal to 180. DCO is also 55. It is given that ODR is similar triangle OBA, so OAB is equal to angle OCD. Corresponding angle are equal in the similar triangles. Angle OAB is equal to 55. Question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for the two triangles so that OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. CDO is equal to angle ABO alternate interior angle as AB is parallel to CD. DCO is equal to BAO alternate interior angle as AB is parallel to CD. DOC and BOA vertically opposite angle. Triangle DOC is similar triangle BOA by AAA similarity criterion. DO upon BO is equal to OC upon OA. Corresponding sides are proportional. OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. Question number 4. In figure 6.36, QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2 so that triangle PQS is similar triangle TQR. In triangle PQR and PQR is equal to angle PRQ, PQ is equal to PR. Given QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR, using first we obtain QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. Equation number second, in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, QR upon QS equal to QT upon QP. Using second, angle Q is equal to angle Q, that is a triangle PQR is similar triangle TQR by SAS similarity criterion. Question number 5. S and T are the point on side PR and QR of the triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS so that triangle RPQ is similar triangle RTS. Answer. In a triangle RPQ and RST, angle RTS equal to angle QPS given, angle R is equal to angle R common angle. So triangle RPQ is similar triangle RTS by AAA similarity. In figure 6.37, if triangle ABC is congruent triangle ACD so that triangle ADE is similar triangle ABC. Answer. It is given that triangle ABE is congruent triangle ACD, that is AB equal to AC by CPCT equation number first, AD equal to AE by CPCT equation number 2. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AD upon AB equal to AE upon AC, dividing equation second by first, angle AA common angle, so triangle ADE is similar triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. Question number 7. In figure 6.38, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at a point P so that triangle AEP similar triangle CDP, triangle ABD similar triangle CBE, triangle AEP similar triangle ADB, triangle PDC similar triangle BEC. Here is the first. Now, in triangle AEP and CDP. Angle AEP equal to angle CDP, each 90. Angle APE equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Hence, by using AA similarity criterion, triangle AEP is similar triangle CDP. Second, in triangle ABD and CBE, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, each 90. ABD is equal to CBE common. Hence, by using AA similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar triangle CBE. Third, in a triangle AEP and ADB, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, each 90. PAE is equal to angle DAB common. Hence, by using AA similarity, AEP similar triangle ADP. Fourth, in a triangle PDC and BEC, ADC is equal to angle BEC, each 90. PCD equal to BCE common angle. Hence, by using AA similarity criterion, PDC is similar triangle BEC. Now students, question number 8. E is an point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F so that triangle ABE is similar triangle CFB. Answer: in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angle of a parallelogram. Angle AEB is equal to angle CBF, alternate interior angle, as a AE is parallel to BC. Triangle ABE is similar triangle CFB by AA similarity criterion. Question number 9. In figure 6.39, ABC and AMP are two right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that first, ABC similar triangle AMP. Second, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Answer: in a triangle ABC and AMP, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each angle 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Triangle ABC is similar triangle AMP by AA similarity criterion. CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Corresponding side of similar triangle are proportional. Question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie one side of AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar triangle FEC so that CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Second, triangle DCB is similar triangle HGE. Third, DCA similar triangle HGF. Let's start. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. ACD is equal to FGH angle bisector. DCB is equal to HGE angle bisector. In triangle ACD and FGH, angle A is equal to angle F proved above. Angle ACD is equal to FGH proved above. Triangle ACD is similar triangle FGH by AA similarity criterion. So CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Now, in the given triangle ABC is similar triangle FEG. So angle A is equal to F, angle B is equal to E, and angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. In triangle DCB and HGF, angle B is equal to angle E proved above. Triangle DCB similar triangle HGE by AA similarity criterion. In triangle DCA and HGF, angle ACD is equal to FGH proved above. Angle A is equal to angle F proved above. Triangle DCA is similar triangle HGF by AA similarity. Now let's start question number 11. In figure 6.40, E is the point on side CB. Produce of isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC if AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that ABD is similar triangle ECF. Answer: it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle. that is AB equal to AC. Angle ABD is equal to angle ECF. In a triangle ABD and ECF, ADB is angle EFC, each 90. Angle BAD is equal to angle CEF, proved above. Triangle ABD is similar triangle ECF by using AA similarity criterion. Question number 12. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, QR and median of PM and triangle PQR. See in figure 6.41 so that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Median divides the opposite side BD is equal to BC by 2, QM is equal to QR by 2. Given that AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AD upon PM. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon 2 and QR upon 2 is equal to AD upon PM. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, AD upon PM proved above. Triangle ABD is similar triangle PQM by SSS similarity criterion. Triangle angle ABD is equal to PQM, corresponding angle are equal, and triangle ABC and triangle PQR में angle ABD is equal to PQM and proved above. AB by में PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity criterion. Question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to BAC so that CA square plus is equal to CB into CD. Answer. In a triangle ADC and BAC, ADC equal to BAC given, ACD equal to BCA common angle. Triangle ADC is similar triangle BAC by AA similarity criterion. We know that the corresponding side of the similar triangle are in proportional. CA upon CB is equal to CD upon CA. CA square is equal to CB into CD. Question number 14. Now, side AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional so that PQ and PR and median PM are another triangle PQR so that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Given that AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, AD upon PM, let us extend AD and PM up to point E and L respectively, such that AD equal to DE, PM equal to ML, then join B and EC to the EQ to L and R to L. We know that the median divides the opposite sides, therefore BD, DC, QM, MR also AD, DE by construction, PM, ML by construction. In quadrilateral ABEC, diagonal AE and BC bisect each other at point D. Therefore, quadrilateral ABC EC is a parallelogram. AC and AB is EC, opposite side of the parallelogram are equal. Similarly, we can prove that quadrilateral PQRL is a parallelogram and PR is equal to QL, PQ is equal to L. It was given that AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, AD upon PM, AB upon PQ, BE upon QL, 2AD upon PM and AB upon PQ, BE upon QL, AE upon PL. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQL by SSS similarity criterion. We know that the corresponding angle of the similar triangle are equal. Angle BAE is equal to angle QPL, equation number first. Similarly, it can be proved that a triangle AEC is similar triangle PLR and angle CAE is equal to angle RPL, equation number 2. Adding equation first and second, we obtain triangle BAE plus CAE is equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL, that is equal to CAB angle RPQ, equation number 3. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR given, CAB is equal to angle RPQ using equation 3, and triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. Now students, question number 15. The vertical pole of the length 6 meter cast of shadow 4 meter long on the ground and at the same time the tower cast of shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Here is the two triangle ABC, ABE and CDE. They are AB and CD of the tower and pole respectively. Let us shadow BE and DF be the shadow of AB and CD respectively. At the same time, the light ray from the sun will fall on the tower and the pole of the same angle. Therefore, angle DCF, angle BAE, and DFC, angle BEA. CDA is equal to angle ABE. Tower of the pole are vertical to the same ground. Triangle ABE similar triangle जो है CDF. AAA similarity criterion. AB upon CD is equal to BE upon DF. AB upon 6 equal to 28 upon 4. AB equal to 42 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower will be 42 meter. Now, students, next question. If the AD and PM are the median of the triangle ABC and PQR respectively, their triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. To prove that AB upon PO, AD upon PM. It is given that ABC is similar triangle PQR. We know that the corresponding side of the similar triangle are in proportional. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR and BC upon QR, equation number first. Also A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R, equation number 2. Since AD, PM are the median, they will be divide their opposite sides. BD is equal to BC upon 2, QM is equal to QR upon 2, equation number 3. From equation first and third, we obtain AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, equation number 4. In a triangle ABD and PQM, angle B is equal to angle K using equation number 2. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM using equation 4. Triangle ABD is similar triangle PQM by SAS similarity criterion. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM, AD upon PM. Now students, thank you for watching my video and this graphics only for your entertainment. So students, आप केवल इसे enjoy करें और मन लगा करके घर पे पढ़ाई करें. Thank you students. Be happy.